guys, today we're doing this video because our channel sent us this big giant surprise package and it's super amazing for this channel to do it. The channel's name is Elsa Surprise Eggs.
She makes very beautiful Shopkins storage containers, Shopkins Play-Doh eggs, Shopkins paintings, adorable Shopkins hats, Play-Doh eggs, and many more awesome creative videos. Let's finally open it up.
Whoa!
That's
Holy moly! Look at all these toys! Wow.
Here's a card.
Oh.
There's a little cute girl on the front.
It says, to the PLP family, thanks for being such awesome YouTube friends. ESEXXX. Thank you. Thank you for the card. It was very thoughtful. Okay.
Look,
Whoa.
a bear. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to take him out.
He looks fluffy.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cute.
I like the cute little ball tail right there.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I love this. I'm just so excited that I got this very cute bear.
That we got. Whoa. Look at it. It's Big Ben. And guess what? It's a money box. More like a
Coin bank.
yeah, a coin bank. Now I can put my coins in here. This little slit. Thank you so much. I really like the stuff you sent us. I like the box too. I don't know if I'm ever going to take this out. It looks so good. Maybe I will someday, but for now I'm not.
Oh, it's so
Okay.
cute.
Wait, you want me to take it out?
Yeah.
Okay, I will. Here I go. Whoa. It's not that heavy, and it's cool.
Wait, how do you take it out?
Yeah, take it out like this. There's a little hole so you can take your money out on the bottom. And then screw it back. I'm going to demonstrate. Where is it? Oh, there. Wow. Okay. And ta-da! Magic.
Oh, that's funny. That's what I have on my shirt. And it says London.
Yeah, look. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And even on the bottom, it says Big Ben. I'm not sure if you could see it. It's actually carved.
I love this beard so much.
Yeah, she has a big obsession with that. So we were thinking, what are we going to do with these souvenirs that we are suddenly collecting? And we decided to make a display for them. We're going to make this display right now, and we're going to be back in a few. We're done with the display, and we're going to show you how it came out. It's pretty big, just to let you know. Can you see it now? There.
It took us about 3 hours to make this display, and it's funny how we found this little bear like this, and here he is, and Big Ben. Oh yeah, on this travel log, we wrote Elsa surprise eggs because she is the first person who sent us these 2 souvenirs.
And if any of you guys wanted us to show any mini souvenirs from your country or state, you could send it to us and we will show it in one of our videos on display.
And we'll add your name to our travel log. The next item is these cool Kinder surprise eggs. In this one, you could have fashion dolls.
And in this one you have Spinty cards and also some other stuff.
This is so cool.
Wanna open it?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, and there's 3 in each of these boxes. Chocolate.
Ew. In my Kinder egg, I got this little dog. When you rub its tummy, its head will move.
And I got this amazing cool lion right here. It's kind of soft from the fur right here.
Cool.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
I got a little car. It's black and it's tiny, but it goes pretty fast. Look.
I got this little pony. It's so cute. And it has wings. It's pink. I think it's super cute. Just look at it.
Whoa. That's cool.
Ooh. I know what this is. I got paint, and this is a paintbrush. And it has pink colors, red and blue.
And I got a cool race car. It might look like an ordinary race car, but it does this. You can flip the top open and an airplane will come out. And you can put it back.
Yeah.
And that's,
It's
like a
pretty cool.
secret weapon. Okay, the Kinder chocolate was amazing. I haven't tasted anything better. And let's move on to the next one.
I really want to open the Shopkins now. Okay guys, this is a magazine that comes with a Season 3 Shopkins. I'm going to show you the pages. I really like this one because you get to make your own Shopkin. And I think that will be very fun, and you get to give it a name. I also like this one because you get to make a puzzle of this little Shopkin over here.
Actually, you get a draw.
Yeah, sneaky wedge. Well, mostly I like every page, but I'm only showing you my favorite pages. And this one, you get to color Shopkins. And now I think I'm going to open this Shopkin blind bag. I got Ginger Fred. He's so cute. He's from Sweet Treats and he's common. I think he should be rare because he's so cute. Just look at him.
Okay guys, there are way too many toys in this package right here that we can't do it in one video, so we're just going to take all of them out and show them to you. And we're going to open the rest in part 2, so I hope you stay tuned for that video.
Oh my gosh, this is how many more things were left in this package. There's Disney princesses, look. And there's Marvel wikkeez and Disney wikkeez.
And we even got this super cool Mickey Mouse shaped Disney wikkeez collectible tin. It also says in a special finish. It's special.
We could never find any of these cool toys, so thank you so much, Elsa Surprise Eggs, for sending us these. And we'll be back with part 2. Bye.
Bye.